Hey, it's Amanda, and whether you bake as a business or a hobby, I am here to help just because. Today I'm sharing how to make my favorite vanilla cooked buttercream. This is made by heating milk, sugar, and flour until it forms a thick paste or a custard, and then adding this to some whipped butter. This is especially great for those of you who don't like super sweet frostings. So all you're going to need is some milk, sugar, flour, butter, and either vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract. So step number one is to mix your flour and your sugar into a medium-sized saucepan. After mixing your flour and your sugar, slowly pour in your milk and whisk to combine. You'll want to remove as many lumps as possible before you start to heat it. Carefully and slowly heat the milk, sugar, and flour mixture until a thick paste forms. Keep a good eye on it though and whisk it well so that you don't get any burnt pieces into your custard. Once you have reached a thick paste, use a spatula to transfer this to a shallow bowl. Now I like to use a shallow bowl just because there is more surface area and it allows your custard to cool more quickly. Then you will apply a piece of saran wrap over the entire top of the custard, making sure that the saran wrap touches the custard so that a skin doesn't form. If you're in a rush, you can place this in the freezer, or you can just place it in the fridge and you can use it once it has completely cooled. Once the custard has cooled in the fridge or the freezer, you can work on the rest of your buttercream. So you're going to add your softened butter into your stand mixer and use your paddle attachment to whip it until it becomes light and fluffy. Next, you'll add in your vanilla extract or your vanilla bean paste and then continue whipping for about another minute. While the mixer is still running, slowly add in your milk, sugar, and flour custard, mixing well in between. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl with your spatula to get everything fully incorporated. You should end up with a super silky, smooth, and delicious buttercream that I personally like to eat with everything. So that is how to make my favorite vanilla cooked buttercream. By adding the milk and flour custard to your butter, it creates such an amazing texture and just the right amount of richness. And most importantly, it honestly tastes like vanilla ice cream. To get my full recipe and all of the instructions on how to make this delicious cooked buttercream, make sure to click the link below. Let me know in the comments below if you try this recipe out. Did you like this video? Make sure to click like, hit subscribe, and if you want weekly baking inspiration from me, be sure to sign up for my email list.